Good day, y'all. It's Rob here from Cruising on the High Seas and Travel. Today, I'm here with another great test review. Today, I went to Osmows, which is like a Middle Eastern shop where you can get like a place like shawarma. And I decided to get chicken on the rocks with a bottle of beer with the roots. If you guys don't know what beer with the roots is, that is root beer. So this is what it looks like with the root beer. And it should be good because I've had the shawarmas before. Chicken on the rocks. So let's see how did Osmows do with theirs. So let's dive on in and take a test look and see how they did. Now this one is a little spicy, but not too spicy. You get as spicy as you want. But let's see. It's okay. It's not that spicy. You can see the rice, the chicken. But it's not the best one I've had overall. So, overall, I would give them a 5 out of 10. Because I could have kicked it up a little more spicier. And maybe they would have got a little bit more better of a score. But I'm going to give them a 5 out of 10. So, this is the chicken on the rocks from Osmows with light spice sauce, which is really not that spicy. So, once again, Rob from Cruising on the High Seas and Travel gave Osmows Chicken on the Rocks 5 out of 10. Well, I'm going to wrap up this very short video here for you all here today. Until next time, I will see you on the high seas or wherever travels may take us. Until then, bye for now.